How to play Clash Royale on PC MuMu Player. So if you want to play Clash Royale on your PC with MuMu Player, then this video is for you. First, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, the next thing you need to do is just open up your browser. And after opening your browser, you need to search for MuMu Player. Once you search for MuMu Player, you will get this kind of interface. You need to just simply go and select the language and then go and download it. You'll have the download option on the top right. Once you click on download, which is here on the top right or here on the top left, it will start the download process. And once it's downloaded, you can open up your MuMu Player and you can search for Clash Royale. Or MuMu Player also has the installation guide. So if you want to play Clash Royale on your PC with MuMu Player, then first you need to download MuMu Player on the official website and then install MuMu Player on your computer. Once you've installed, you can launch MuMu Player and then click on the App Center search bar. After that, sign into your Google account and search Clash Royale. And then click on sign in, search for Clash Royale. Install or pre-register the game from Google Play Store. Go with install, which will be on the right side. If you didn't find this game on the Play Store, you can also download the game's APK file to install locally on MuMu Player X. After you've done the steps, which only takes a few minutes to complete, you'll be enjoying Clash Royale on PC and with the best controls, graphics, performance, and other brilliant functions provided by MuMu Player X. In this way, you'll be able to play Clash Royale on your PC with MuMu Player. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.